The snowy owl stands as a captivating symbol of the vast and remote Arctic tundra. With its pristine white plumage, piercing yellow eyes, and formidable presence, this majestic bird of prey has intrigued and fascinated both scientists and enthusiasts for centuries. In this video, we delve into the intricate facets of the snowy owl's life, from its physical characteristics and habitat to its behavior, diet, and conservation status. Physical characteristics. The snowy owl is renowned for its distinctive appearance, featuring a predominantly white plumage that serves as exceptional camouflage against the snow-covered landscapes of the Arctic. Adult males often exhibit even whiter plumage than females, which may display more extensive black barring. Their striking yellow eyes, surrounded by a disk of feathers, add an intense and mesmerizing quality to their appearance. Unlike many other owl species, snowy owls boast robust and heavily feathered legs and toes, providing insulation against the extreme cold of their habitat. Remarkably, the snowy owl's plumage not only aids in camouflage but also helps regulate body temperature, acting as both insulation and a means of thermal regulation in the challenging Arctic climate. Habitat and range. Snowy owls primarily inhabit the Arctic tundra, spanning regions such as North America, Europe, and Asia. These birds are highly adaptable and may migrate vast distances in response to changing food availability. While some snowy owls remain year-round residents in the Arctic, others undertake extensive migrations, with some individuals traveling as far south as the northern United States, Canada, and even Eurasia. Migration patterns. The migration patterns of snowy owls have long fascinated researchers. Unlike the stereotypical image of solitary owls perched on a branch, snowy owls are known for their nomadic tendencies, covering vast distances in search of prey. This behavior is influenced by the cyclic fluctuations in the population of their main prey, lemmings. When lemming populations boom, snowy owl populations follow suit, leading to increased competition for resources and prompting long-distance migrations in search of alternative hunting grounds. Behavior and hunting. Snowy owls are adept hunters with a diverse diet that includes a variety of Arctic-dwelling prey. Lemmings, small rodents that abound in the tundra, constitute a primary food source. However, snowy owls are opportunistic predators and readily target birds, fish, and even other mammals, showcasing their adaptability in the face of varying environmental conditions. These owls are known for their patient and methodical hunting strategies. They often perch on elevated vantage points, such as hummocks or rises in the terrain, patiently awaiting the movement of prey. Once a target is spotted, the snowy owl employs its powerful talons and sharp beak to secure a meal. With exceptional eyesight and silent flight, they are formidable nocturnal hunters, capable of locating prey in low-light conditions without alerting potential victims. Breeding and reproduction. Breeding in the Arctic tundra is an arduous endeavor, given the harsh conditions. Snowy owls typically establish breeding territories during the short Arctic summer. Males engage in elaborate courtship displays, showcasing their prowess through aerial acrobatics and vocalizations. Upon forming a bond with a mate, the female constructs a simple nest on the ground, often a shallow depression lined with feathers and vegetation. Females lay a clutch of eggs, usually ranging from 3 to 11 eggs, depending on food availability. The responsibility of incubating the eggs falls primarily on the female, lasting around 32 days. Once hatched, both parents actively participate in caring for the chicks, providing food and protection until the young owls fledge and become independent. Conservation status. While the snowy owl is not currently listed as endangered, its conservation status is a subject of concern. Climate change poses a significant threat to Arctic ecosystems, affecting the availability of prey, altering migration patterns, and impacting breeding success. Additionally, increased human activities in the Arctic, such as oil and gas exploration, pose indirect threats to snowy owls through habitat disruption and disturbance. Conservation efforts focus on monitoring snowy owl populations, studying their behaviors and movements, and implementing measures to mitigate human-induced impacts on their habitat. Understanding the intricate ecological relationships within the Arctic ecosystem is crucial for the effective conservation of this iconic species. Overall, the snowy owl, with its ethereal beauty and remarkable adaptations to the Arctic tundra, continues to captivate the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. From its nomadic migration patterns to its patient hunting strategies, the snowy owl's life is intricately intertwined with the dynamic and challenging environment of the far north. As we navigate the complexities of conservation in the face of climate change, understanding and protecting the habitats that sustain these magnificent birds becomes paramount. Ensuring that the snowy owl remains a symbol of the wild and untamed Arctic for generations to come. Thank you for watching. We hope you know a lot about snowy owl.